welcome to Virtual Hub Tech. I want to show you something that I am really excited about, as it could boost my productivity immensely. If you are someone that has multiple PCs, or whether it's a PC and an iPad, or a computer, a laptop and an iPad, or just more than one device in general, with a keyboard switcher like this, you can use your mouse and your keyboard and you can share them between 4 devices. This is a USB switch, so unlike a KVN switch, this doesn't do video out, but it does do USB devices, USB 2.0. Let me show you what's inside. So opening this up, we've got the USB switcher itself, so you can have 4 input devices. It does also require power, and then 4 output devices, so keyboard, mouse, USB hard drive or SSD or storage device, maybe even a printer if you've got a wired one. It also comes with this extension cord for the switcher key, so if you just want to hide all the clutter, get everything plugged in, and then just put this somewhere under the desk or just somewhere in the cable stack, you can use this just to quickly switch between 1, 2, 3, and 4. So computer 1, 2, 3, and 4. You've got a bunch of USB cables just for getting this connected. So now here at Virtual Hub, I do want to start live streaming. I do want to start doing virtual esport events. So I am going to be using multiple computers at a go. Something like this can immensely increase my productivity because I don't need a separate keyboard and mouse for every computer, for every device. Just to demonstrate how this works, I've got my computer over here, and then I've also got a laptop. Let me plug this in. So I've got 2 computers now. I have plugged in 2 wireless receivers, one for my mouse and the other one is for my keyboard. Let's get this plugged in too, just to show you how cool this really is. So I just want to show you how cool this really is. Here's my Windows PC, and then here's my Linux PC. It's a laptop. This keyboard, let me just zoom in a bit. Right now, as you can see, it's working on my desktop PC, and then my mouse as well. It's working on this PC. Now depending if I want to press it on this, or if I want to press it on this, if I switch to input 1, you can see the keyboard is no longer working here, but it's now working on my laptop, on my second device. And with this, you can plug in up to 4 different devices and connect up to 4 different inputs. These are really cheap on AliExpress, and they can immensely increase your productivity. So if you are using more than one computer, then I definitely recommend you pick up one of these. Super useful. Thank you for watching, and I will also have a written review over our website, www.virtualhub.com. Link will be down in the description below, and I hope you enjoyed.